I mean, I think it came apart pretty quick.
Says on 6.1 Hemi head or Hemi head in general. First you compress the valve seal, valve springs. Take the keys off of the magnet. Release the valve spring. Take it off. A little hand in the tool, hand in the tool. Come on, come close. Show that. This is a valve seal. Keeps the oil from getting inside the combustion chamber. Take it off, your valve will drop. Take the new one, throw it on top. Get a little hammer, get a socket, just smack over that a little bit. Make sure it's sealed up properly. A little bit more. Like that. Take the valve, put it back in. Get some grease to throw on the valve so the keepers can stick. Put the spring back on. Compress the valve spring. These keepers, little bitty things. Throw them things on with the big side up. Can you see? Can y'all see? Probably not, but I'll show y'all a little bit later. Put that thing on like that. Oh. This tiny screwdriver may help. Come on, let me like that. Boom. Keepers in there. Make sure the fat side is up and the narrow side is down. Take the spring compressor and release. And boom, that's how you change valve seals. I'll be gone for a minute, but shoot, I got something to show y'all.
Burn out. That thing said kaboom. Stopped. I'm like, fuck. I heard him hit the starter. It went thunk. I'm like, nope, you're done, dude. Push that motherfucker out. Pulled the intake. I looked down. I was like, oh,
Damn.
dude, you don't even want to look down in there, man.
This shit not even bad, bro. Basically, what had happened to the motor was I was doing the valve seals, you know, and from comp cam, if they would have seen me the right valve seals the first time, we never would have went through this fucking problem. Anyway, took my motor apart, threw the valve seals on, and I had this coworker named Scott. He was like, "Hey, Vaughn, let me help you, you know, put your car back together. I'm trying to learn about this, you know, these Hemis and X, Y, and Z, how to build these motors." So me being a overly dumbass, I was like, "Oh yeah, come over here, I got you. Come on, I got you. And show you how to do some shit, you know, put the motor back together and shit." Well, apparently a fucking bolt dropped in the cylinder number 8, and he ain't say nothing. And that's the side he was on. I was on the driver's side, which is 1357. He was on the other side, passenger side, which is 2468. And magically, the bolt fell down to number 8. And I buttoned everything up. He buttoned everything up. You know, I'm thinking, should have known he was what is a dumbass? I should have whooped his ass, to tell you the truth, but I didn't want to get fired, but I should have got fired. Fuck it. Fuck it. It was worth it. It's worth whooping his ass. I should go back and whoop his ass, but I should do. But no, for real, like, it's crazy, man. It's just, I just couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it. Anyway, the bolt dropped down side number 8. Hop inside the car, I tried to turn it on. It fired up for like 2-3 seconds. And then you heard a bunch of clunk, 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 and my fucking car turned off. I said, what the hell? Shit ain't normal. So I tried to crank it over again. And you heard, get, bloop, 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 like it was trying to start, you know? And that motherfucker just wouldn't start. The motherfucker just stopped cranking. So I took my breaker bar, started turning the motor over. It'll turn over. And it'll like hit like clunk. I said, what the hell is that? And it wouldn't go no more. It was locked up. So I'm like, clunk, 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 clunk. When it moves, I said, oh my God, I done fucked up. And I had another coworker, Boriscope, look down and saw the. I seen what happened at the beginning of the video. That was my piston rings. Just all broken up. Like, hey, we having a party, just broken up. Tweaking, man. Just tweaking. And yeah, and he ain't say nothing. He ain't say shit. I could have saved hella money. I spent probably like $1,000 trying to fix my car. And this happened March 4th, and I got it fixed a week later. It was Thursday from March 4th. I can't remember the day, but it was Thursday. March 4th was a Thursday, and the following Thursday, I got it fixed. I got it fixed up and running. But other than that motherfucker run strong as hell. Who want to race? Who want to do the little thing? But no, for real though, that's what happened to the motor. That's the backstory.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up.
Solo, dude. Good boy. Back with dude. My bad. Cylinder head. Let's go. Which side is this? The new head in. There we go. this is the new look of the Charger. I spent my hard work and dedication trying to get this look. Nice, clean look. Final formation. This is what it is, y'all. Hope y'all like it. I mean, if not, give me a comment. Say something, you know, give me some type of feedback. Hey, you know, I had to get the little spotted headlights. You know, I had to. Them must go crazy, go stupid. Oh, look at them. Look at them. I had to, bruh. I had to. YouTube, my bad. I've been gone for so long. I've been busy. I've been working, doing changes. Obviously, y'all seen to my car. But good news and bad news. The good news, the car is running strong as hell. The bad news is, y'all probably seen it already, but the car is for sale. Hit me up if you want to buy it. Engine strong, trans strong, all that stuff is strong. And it's time for something new. And with that being said, be on the lookout for the next video. Y'all go see what the hell going on, what I'm doing next. Y'all go see it. It's going to be crazy.